Good morning, YouTubers. Little Barker here. This video I am recording right now is going to be next week's video, and that is what you guys are watching right now. This was filmed last week because right after I uploaded the video, took like, I swear, like 20 minutes to upload. Jay comes. So yeah. So this last week's video, there's only Luke in that card update. And in this week's video, you guys are watching right now, Jay footage, probably Luke footage. I don't know yet, I can't tell the future. But yeah, so here comes Jay picking up compost Tuesday morning. It is about 8:15 right now. And yeah. And here he comes. You too. And there he goes. Sitting burger out. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Come up, subscribe for more. I will see you guys later. That was Jay Tuesday morning on Compost. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Good morning, YouTuber. Simon Barker here. Luke is coming to pick up recycle. It is Tuesday morning. Recycle's coming. Sorry, my phone is such a pain in my ass right now. I am hoping I can make it through just this frickin' like 30 seconds so I can get a clip of him, because down there I was filming him. Phone ran out of storage in the middle of filming him. So I had to go through a bunch of my shit I had on my phone to clear it out so I could get footage. Luckily, he goes that way, then he comes back that way, goes up the hill, and then comes down. Because if not, you guys would only have that J footage. But so yeah, because of that, that was pissing me off this morning already. In the middle of filming him, right when I was in the middle, I just decided to say, yep, no more storage. After like a minute and 30 seconds, I'm pretty sure is what it got to, until it just cut me off. So yeah, I'm hoping I can actually make it until he dumps this shit. And then, yeah, so here it comes. Marker out. If you guys enjoyed that video, comment, subscribe for more. Looks like I did make it through that, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Subscribe to House of Vacuums, Zachary Sharp, pretty sure that's his name. Yeah, give him a quick shout out, so go subscribe to him, link in the description. But yeah, you guys will see the clip that just decides to cut me off right after this. But yeah, besides that, you guys have a good rest of your day. And yeah, there he goes. Okay guys, you guys are about to see the clip for where my phone decided to run out of storage in the middle of me filming Luke. So you guys are going to see that clip right now. Hope you guys enjoy it. Good morning, YouTuber Supermarker here. Luke is coming picking up recycle. It is Tuesday morning. About like 7 in the morning right now. Got this apartment right here. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed that clip of Jay. It's from last week. Because he came after I filmed recycle. But yeah. Yeah, so Jay came after I filmed with Luke, and I already got the video put up and everything. Notice I just put it in this video. And yeah. But shout out to House of Vacuums vacuum guy. I will put the link in my description for his channel for you guys to go check it out. Okay, I bet you guys could tell that that's where the video ended. Yeah, besides that, hope you guys have a good rest of your day.